Today we're talking about the A minor chord. This video is just a very introductory level to how to build the A minor chord. This is for someone that's been playing from a month to a year or two and they're needing to learn the A minor chord. So let's just jump in straight into how to make the chord first. So I usually use my two middle fingers. They kind of pair up together on the three strings down and the fourth string down on the second fret. These need to pair up together, one on top of the other, not in the same string. You'll never have two fingers on the same string because the forward one is going to cancel the other one out. My third finger is going to go below it, like Spider-Man or something. Now the pointing finger is going to go on the fifth string down, first fret. So the A minor's bass note. Now, by the way, pause this video. If you're working on the A minor chord, you'll need weeks to work on it. So if you need to pause this now and come back, do that. But I'm just going to talk about it a little bit more in case you're ready. The A minor's bass note is the second string. That's an A string. This note, the second string, is the boss note or the foundation note to the A minor chord. Couple things to think about. One, make sure you have nice rounded fingers. If you find yourself indented here or flat, right, it's not right. You need to have nice rounded hands. Make sure each finger isn't touching a string that it's not supposed to. Plenty of pressure into the string. And lastly, always, push your fingers up to the fret this way, to the fret that you're supposed to be on. Don't be back here. Listen to the difference. Buzzy, buzzy, buzzy. But simply, same pressure and everything, just sliding forward, I get that nice sounding chord. If you're having trouble, we'll troubleshoot it. Go through each string, figure out where the issue is. A lot of times, this third finger right here is going to be touching that fifth string down, and you're not going to hear the pointy finger. Make sure you're hearing that. That's the minor note. That's the note that we most really want to hear. Minor note. Some of A minor's friends are the C chord. In order to get to the C chord, only move this one finger. Only move the third finger. Don't go like that and build your C chord. Nope, nope, nope. Move just your third finger and practice that transition until your fingers develop that muscle memory for it. Some other fun chords you might practice transitioning to would be bring it straight up. Either bring your pair here up a string and drop the pointing finger to get an E minor, or keep your middle finger where it is, your second finger, and throw your pointing finger on top. It's the same chord, whether you go this way or this way. It's up to you. They sound cool together. Another chord to do is from A minor to E major. And all you do for that is you bring all three fingers up a string. It's kind of fun, right? Make sure all three fingers move in a pair, okay? So anyway, that was an introduction to the A minor chord, some of the chords that go with it, and some techniques for cleaning it up. My name is Jacob Paul with Inside Out Studio. I'm going to see you on that next video.